Hola chicos! This is our second task that belongs to week 4. Interpretive reading comprehension activity. Read and underline all our verbs. Mark any word that is not known and look up. Then answer reading comprehension questions in full complete Spanish responses. Remember to restate your answer from the questions. The name of the reading is El Cortijo. You can see here attached in your summary the reading, but please do not work from here. All of you have your own copy that is already posted in your Google Classroom, as you can see. Let's start. El Cortijo are verbs. We have to begin the reading by understanding our title, El Cortijo. By checking El Cortijo, I found it in the map because it's a place in Spain. El Cortijo is a village in the municipality of Logroño. Here is Logroño. Logroño, that belongs here. And is in the Providence and Autonomous Community of La Rioja, Spain. So we know that Cortijo es un pueblo, es un village that is located in Spain. Now that we understand, we have to do is understand what we see and read in Spanish, and I can identify our verbs in Spanish. Please, this is going to be about Juan's story, and you're going to underline all verbs. We're going to start. Hola, me llamo Juan y soy de España. Vivo en Madrid capital, pero when you are reading, your homework will be to first check on those words that you do not understand. For example, imagine you don't understand pero. You're going to underline it, and next to pero, you are going to find the translation. You can use word reference account, or you can use your diccionario. So let me type pero, and they will give me the answer, pero. But I will go back over here and I can write that English translation. In that way, when I read it for second time and I found the word again, I can understand the meaning. Hola, me llamo Juan y soy de España. Vivo. Oh, señorita, why is in red? Because that is the ending for that conjugation that belongs to yo. Yo vivo. I live. Yo vivo. And say no because O is the ending that works with the subject pronoun yo. That's why you have it in red. Saying this is not our verb, we leave it alone. We keep reading. Mi familia es Andalucía en el sur de España. Durante. Oh, I don't remember durante. Again, you underline it. Go to your word reference diccionario, type the word that you don't understand, and check it out the meaning. Go back on your reading and provide the information in there. And keep reading. El verano me gusta pasar. Oh, I found one verbo pasar. Excelente. Pasar. I underline it. Pasar, to spend. To spend time. Pasar tiempo. You keep reading, and then you're going to find another verbs are in red. More verbs are in red because those are the verbs you underline. Now that we found the verbo, we know that estoy comes from estar. And estar, en estar comes means to be. I am. Estar. Yo estoy. I am. To be. Estar. Yo estoy en el pueblo. Oh, another verbo. Ayudo. I underline the verbo. And the main verb for ayudo is muy bien. Ayudar. Remember, we are working in our verbs. Our verbs. We know that in Spanish we have 3 different families. Ar, and ir. Right now we are finding verbs that end in ar. A mis abuelos todos los días. Check it out words that you don't understand. I already showed you how to do it. Oh, I have another word over here. I underline it. Why encenamos? It's because words for muy bien, nosotros. Nosotros, we, right? We play. Nosotros jugamos. Muy bien. Since we already find what is the main verbo that it has to type in there? Buen trabajo. The main verbo es jugar. Check. Ensen, ar. Jugar. Since we are conjugating, because we are talking about another subject, we don't say to play, we say we play. That's why this ending is changing for amos. Jugamos. Mucho juntos, especialmente en el cortijo. Keep checking on those verbos. Please find the main verbo that you can see that comes that, because this is a verb already conjugated. You can see that it's not ending in ar. It have a different ending because we put a subject in there. Nosotros jugamos. We play. But we know that this verbo comes from this main verbo, jugar. Ensen, ar. So after you finish checking on that, please answer the comprehension questions. ¿De dónde es Juan? Check, it's in blue because this is the interrogative questions. Remember we have that in our room? ¿De dónde? Where? ¿Quién? Knock knock. Who? ¿Quién? ¿Qué? What? So those interrogative questions are in blue. ¿Por qué? Why? ¿Por qué? And what you can see in red is the verbo. ¿De dónde es Juan? Go back to your test. After you finish this, you're gonna give second reading, 3 more readings until you completely understand what is this reading about, since you already find those translation words. And then go and check the answer. Me llamo Juan y soy de España. Oh, I know, he is from España. So I come back over here and put, ¿de dónde es Juan? I restate my answer. Juan es, I use the same verbo, right? Juan es de España. And you are typing in there the country he is from, because that's what they're asking you. Where is he from? Juan es de España. And then you keep answering those questions. Remember, you gotta answer those questions in Spanish. And remember, take the answer from the question. Muy bien, buen trabajo chicos, buena suerte. Adiós.